Hey everyone, welcome to the Bowl Corner, a web series where I, Ashlee Hines, share the stories that made me who I am. What I've noticed that transparency in oftentimes is the key to inspiration. With that in mind, I created this space to inspire people to heal along with me. During these conversations, I will be sharing my life story, as well as interviews with people with similar stories who are also on their path to finding their joy. What I love about these conversations is that they are topics and issues that we have all dealt with at some point in our life. My hope is that these topics encourages you or someone you know to help them on their pathway to healing. Join me, become bold, and stay beautiful. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you right here again at the Bowl Corner.